If you want 2025 to be the best year of your life, then please listen up and watch this video, because I will tell you exactly how you can make it the most valuable year of your life. Bro, if you think right now, then you'll probably say that the years from 2016 to 2018 were the most fun years of your life, because you know, it was just so nostalgic. You could actually hang around people because it wasn't around then, and you could actually like have fun and play these fun games or whatever, and it was just so nostalgic. These years were also the best years of my life, because I used to go out with friends, I used to play games with friends, and it was just so nostalgic. And also I didn't really have any responsibilities, so I could basically do whatever I wanted. I remember those Friday nights when I used to come home from school and basically just sit in my computer chair and play video games all night with friends or even alone. And when it was raining, it was also very nice. It was just such a good feeling, you know. I also remember when I used to go to my friend's place and basically just play hide and seek or play like these stickman games on my friend's computer, and these were basically the most nostalgic memories I've ever had. And this all continued for a few more years until the pandemic hit.
Find our lives in 2020.
2020 is now the deadliest year in US history.
When the virus started to spread and everything went into lockdown, everything just started to feel different, and that was basically my downfall. I got into really bad addictions. I used to scroll on my phone for hours and hours and hours a day, and even though I used to also play video games before the pandemic, I started to play like 14 hours a day during the pandemic, so my days were basically just purposeless. Because I didn't go outside, I didn't socialize, so my social skills were basically zero, and I also had a lot of insecurities. My confidence was at an all-time low, and I was just feeling like shit. And this all was taking place until I started working out 3 years ago. I started doing like ab workouts, I started doing push-ups in this room, and so I progressively overloaded and I got into this gym and I was just so confident. So I built a lot of discipline by working out, and I also decided to add some more good habits into my life. I started reading, meditating, going outside, and these all gave me a sense of purpose again. And I started this channel Hardy Fit this year, and I promise you, bro, 2025 will be my best year. I'll tell you exactly how I'll make it the best year of my life. So there are basically two things that I'm doing to make it the best year of my life. You can also apply the same points and also make 2025 the best year of your life. The first thing I'm gonna do is basically focus all of my time or all of my brain power on a few core goals. You can also do this by just setting a few goals that you're really passionate about and that you want to go all in on, and basically just focus all of your time on that. Bro, just understand that if you have a lot of goals, then you'll probably not make any progress on any of them, because you just don't have enough time to do all of them, so you'll just end up procrastinating and not doing anything. Just focus on a few things that you're really passionate about. Just go all in on them. The second thing I'm doing to make 2025 the best year of my life is just trying to experience as much as possible. I'll definitely not do degenerate things like vape or nicotine or alcohol or whatever. However, what I am doing is traveling, is just making new friends and having new experiences. Bro, you should also try to experience as much as possible, because when you're still young, you have a lot of time. And you can also make a lot of memories and just make life fun. These were the two most important things I'm doing in 2025 to make it the most valuable year of my life. Something I forgot to mention is, in addition to just making new friends, I'm also just trying to retain my current relationships with friends, with family, by just hanging out with my family or hanging out with my friends, just like doing these fun things with people I already know. And yeah, bro, I'd really recommend doing those things if you want 2025 to be the best year of your life. So I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.